Dermasun Medical is a medical device company. We are based in Amsterdam in the Netherlands, and we make medical devices to treat chronic skin conditions such as sun allergy, psoriasis, eczema and vitiligo. Now for all these conditions, doctors have known for a long time that you can treat it very well with so-called UV light therapy. Now, UV light therapy is ultraviolet light, which is a particular type of light that also is emitted from the sun. And this works very well to treat these patients. However, so far, patients often had to go to the hospitals 3 or more times a week for several months on end to actually undergo this therapy. What we have developed is several devices where you can actually put the device in your home shower or anywhere else in the home where you like, and people can treat themselves at home. And this is done with this device that emits a very low and safe dose of UV light. And we've proven scientifically that this therapy is safe and effective to treat sun allergy patients, psoriasis, and we're also now conducting clinical trials for eczema and vitiligo. So the idea is, as you take your daily shower, you turn on the device and you treat yourself with a low, safe dose of UV light. Of course, our devices are thoroughly tested and approved for medical use throughout the European Union. There's one other important benefit of this therapy, and that is that you can gradually increase the time of the device to suit your own needs. Because for most people, what works best is to increase the exposure time gradually so as to build up the resistance of your skin to the UV light.
Psoriasis is a quite common skin disease. About 2% of the adult population is suffering from it. There are UV therapy devices which are installed in hospitals, and patients have to come there a couple of times per week to get their therapy. However, it can be quite impractical if you have a job and a profession outside. It's difficult to arrange with all other obligations you might have. Quite recently, there was a new medical device developed which will be installed at the patient's home. The advantage of this device is not only that it's more practical for the patient and it's effective, but also that the dosage of UV radiation is less than half of the dosage allowed for Western Europeans, which you collect by sun exposure in the summer.
My psoriasis started when I was 18, and after a couple of years it was all over my body, my belly, my arms, and it was very itching. It's when I have a lot of stress, it also appears on my head, and then everybody sees it and asks about it. A couple of years ago I did get light therapy in the hospital. That means you go there 3 times a week for just a couple of seconds in a, much more powerful device, but with all the things around that, like driving there, parking, undressing, dressing, going back to what you're doing, and that always is in office hours. With this device, it's very easy. We all take showers every day, and we put on. When I put on the device, I'm treated while showering. The result is lots less itching parts of my body, and even with more stress last couple of months, it didn't get worse. So I'm very positive about it.
Dermasun medical devices allow patients to treat themselves at home, very easy, safe and effective in their home environment, every day treat themselves. And this is what is enormously appreciated by these patients. They don't have to go to the hospital anymore for dozens of time. It works the whole year round and is very easy to operate. And because it's so effective, actually the quality of lives of these people are very much improved. And this is what is very satisfying for the patients, but also for us to help these people who have these serious skin conditions.